I love education and learning, but it hasn't always been that way. Actually, come to think of it, it used to be pretty low down on my list of priorities as I was growing up. I started off fairly slow at school, always having a handful of negative comments in my reports and never really achieving anything special in my exams. Average is probably the word that best summed me up. Not stupid, not super smart. I was equally capable of saying something half intelligent as I was able to play the class clown. Otherwise, I was playing all kinds of sports and enjoying the social life of any normal young person. Soon enough, I'd become quite fed up with only being able to produce average reports and average results. I suppose I knew I wasn't trying as hard as I could. Instead of just thinking about my potential, I wanted to see what I was capable of. So, I began to switch things up a bit. I tried a few new techniques and approaches to my schoolwork to see if they would improve my results. I also worked hard on developing the way I prepared for my exams. I knew it was something that could be learned if I put my mind to it. Long story short, I ended up with a decent set of GCSEs and a set of A-levels that I could not have done much better in. I also managed to pass the aptitude test for Oxford University and got through to the last round of the interview process. Having said that, I did get rejected in the end. I then went on to achieve a high 2-1 at Exeter University, part of the Russell Group of British universities. After graduating, I went back to speak to students about my approach to education and exams. I told them about the techniques and strategies I used. They tried them out and let me know how they got on. I've spent the last 18 months honing and refining the fun exam plan based on the feedback of others and what worked for them.